I'm about to share with you one of the hottest t-shirt design trends on Etsy this fall. It's the postage stamp designs, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to pair it with Halloween. These designs are flying off the shelves. In a matter of minutes, I'm going to show you how you can make these designs as well by using Playground, plus which products to add these designs to that are guaranteed to sell. This postage stamp graphic style has been exploding on Etsy, especially with seasonal themes like Halloween. So basically it's a bunch of little designs in one big design, and they're separated by, being little postage stamps. It's cute, retro, and definitely can be customizable as well. There are many bestsellers with this postage stamp design trend all across the board in all different niches, but it's going to specifically take off this fall, Halloween, and holiday season. Now is the perfect time to list these designs. So now let's jump into Playground so I can show you how you can recreate these in just a few clicks. Alright, so here we are in Playground. They are my go-to site for high quality, fast designs. We can literally make designs in a matter of minutes using Playground. So basically they have thousands and thousands of templates, and the cool thing is most of the designers of these templates are selling on Etsy and other e-commerce platforms. They're up to date with the trends. So whenever I come on here, there's always a trending design. Literally within the first few scrolls, you're going to see many designs that are already trending on Etsy. So it takes away a lot of time in doing design research, even though I do suggest that you go to Etsy and you browse, the first few pages of whatever niche or aesthetic you are researching to get some ideas of what's actually selling on the Etsy platform. But if you don't have that much time, then Playground, you can just hop on here and definitely find a trending design, and you have the commercial rights to use any of these. However, I do suggest that you change them. It's so easy to change in a matter of minutes with the prompt box. Change them to make them your own intellectual property so that you don't get in trouble, or so that you're not competing with somebody who might be using the same design, So on Playground, you're going to be able to easily make this postage stamp design. So you could do this by starting a new design here, and you could explain exactly what you want in the prompt box down here. Or another simple way is to just simply go into the t-shirt category and search for a similar template that you will then be able to tweak to turn it into the exact design that you have in your mind. So actually, let's click onto this one here. I had a different template in mind, but this one just popped up. I will show you the other template I had in mind after this one, but let's click in and let's see if it can do what I'm prompting it. I'm saying change the images into individual postage stamps. Now, by the way, I am on the 4.0 GBT model. You do need the pro account of Playground to use this, which is $15 monthly, but you could also try out the Playground model here for free to see if you like Playground first. I definitely recommend the 4.0 model. Let's see what this can do for us. So that's super cute. In a matter of seconds, it did that for me. I like the style of this, but I can also change the style to something else by coming right down here to change style. And let's see, maybe we want it to be more like retro. So I'm going to click onto this one. Kind of cool, but not quite the style I'm going for. So I'm going to click back. I'm going to try again, but instead of doing the change style, we're going to change it with the prompt. So I'm going to say, make this more retro and with pastel colors. Okay, super cute. I'm liking the pastel colors, and I'm also liking it's giving like a watercolor vibe. So we're gonna just go with this, but you can prompt it and change it as many times as you would like to get it to exactly what you are envisioning. Sometimes it takes one prompt, sometimes it takes 10 prompts, but it is still so much faster than creating your own design from scratch, right? What I would do here is I would export this, and then I would upscale and remove this background so that it's just the stamps, because when we place this on a product, we do not want this white box to be in the background, right? So just remember to always upscale and remove background, and for this you do need the Pro account as well. Otherwise you can just download it for free, but it will have that background with it. Okay, now I'm going to show you the template that I had in mind and how we can tweak it to make it exactly how we want into this postage stamp design. Alright, so here is a template that I found within the t-shirt category on Playground. So I'm going to turn these boxes into postage stamps. So let me type my prompt in. Okay, so I'm saying, what if this were Halloween themed? One box add a pumpkin, one box add a ghost, one box add a haunted house, one box add a black cat. All right, that looks great, but now I need to prompt it even more to make it look like the postage stamp trend. So I'm saying make it look more retro and like postage stamps instead of straight lines. All right, great. And I'm not worried about this space down here. I could either add text here if I wanted to, or when I export this and remove the background, this will not even be there anymore. It will just be the 4 stamps. But now I'm actually going to play around with changing the style once again. Let's see if it can work for us with this design. So change style. Let's try this one here. Oh, I actually love this because also, guys, there's like an iridescent type of trend right now with designs, which stay tuned because in a future video I'm going to be making videos on that as well. But I really like these colors on these postage stamps. I think that turned out beautifully. So what I would do once again is export, upscale, and remove background. Okay, and then now I will download this as a PNG file so that it can be placed onto my print-on-demand products without that boxed background. Now let's talk about products, because knowing where to place your design and also on which products is the key to making those extra sales this fall. By the way, I'm recording this outside, so if you hear like the birds or motorcycles and stuff, that's why. It's just too nice out to not be out here, so I hope you guys can understand. Also, if you're still watching, please comment postage stamps in my comment section below so I know that you made it this far. Okay, so these are the types of products that these designs are going to sell best on this fall. So first we're going to go into women's clothing and t-shirts. By the way, I am in Printify. This is who I use for all of my print-on-demand products. For the past 3 years, they are my go-to print-on-demand company. So what I'm seeing with this trend, a lot of the best sellers are on comfort colors 1717. And the main colors that I'm seeing as bestsellers is the pepper and also the ivory. Now you have to think though, you think about your design and which colors it will go on best. I'm not so sure that my second one, the iridescent one, would go great on ivory, but maybe my first one would. I think for sure the second one would look amazing on pepper though, so let's upload that now and see how it looks. Okay, and then I would just scale this down to fit, or I can make it bigger to take up the whole box. But what I'm seeing with the postage stamp trend is that they are a little bit smaller. We could even go back into Playground and add 2 to 4 more. You know, if we wanted even more, we could also prompt it to make them a more scattered look. You can prompt it, like I said, however many times to make it perfect. And then we would come up here to preview. This is how it would look. This is how it would look on a model. Another cute idea for these that I'm not seeing anybody sell yet is pocket postage stamp designs. Preview. I would probably move that over a little bit. Now that's why it's important to preview so you can see exactly how it's going to show up on your shirt. You could also do the back side of a shirt. Another product I will be selling these on for sure are the sweatshirts. Now for this, I like to choose the Gildan 18,000. You're going to get a really good profit margin with these. And I think that design would look great on a black sweatshirt. And I'm going to choose to do a pocket design for this. And another cute idea, because Printify offers the left sleeve and the right sleeve. I think it would be super cute to just take one postage stamp and add one to this sleeve and one to this sleeve, like maybe in like the elbow area. I think that would be a cute little touch and something that's not being sold on Etsy just yet. I will also be selling these types of designs on tote bags, and I love tote bags because you can get a really great profit margin selling these. And definitely mugs, another really great profit margin with mugs. But there's so many other products you can add your designs to as well, like baby onesies. These would be cute on. You could even do home decor like pillows, and there's so many other products that this design style will trend on this fall. Don't forget baby clothing. These designs will look really cute on. You could even add it to home decor like pillows. Maybe instead of a Halloween design, you choose to do, you know, a teacher postage stamp design and add it to a notebook, or also a t-shirt for teachers. Don't forget to add this to other niches as well. If you loved this design walkthrough and you want more fast-selling trend ideas for Etsy, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more content like this. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.